Maersk container ship fire, Caribbean. Container ship OLGA MAERSK suffered fire in engine room on Jan 29, according to operator of the ship, HAMBURG-SUD, official press release. We regret to advise that on January 29 the fire in the engine room on board the vessel OLGA MAERSK was reported while the vessel was en route from Panama to Cartagena. All crew on board the vessel are safe and accounted for. According to track, fire erupted at around 1,200 Jan 29 in the Caribbean, some 120 nanometers NE of Panama. The crew managed to extinguish fire, but there were apparently some problems. The ship started moving only on Jan 30, and turned back to reaching later that day. As of February 1, OLGA MAERSK was still at Container ship OLGA MAERSK, IMO 9,251,614, DWT 41,028, capacity 3,028 built 2003, flag Denmark, operator Hamburg.